Alex, and this will be my second channel where I will review for you various projects that I believe in. So don't forget to share with your friends and subscribe to the channel, please. Today I'm gonna tell you about ZKPAD. You should hear about this from my first channel, but here I will tell you much more. So let's go. Here you can see their website. And so what is ZKPAD? This is the first launchpad on the Starknet blockchain. Here you can become both an investor and offer your project. Everything will work decentralized, so with the maximum security for you. This launchpad has a number of features that I personally was very pleased with. So the first feature is that there will be a tokenized whitelist for each project that will be listed on this launchpad. This is very cool because everyone who gets into the whitelist will be given NFT, which you either use to buy tokens or sell to someone. That is, so you don't need to sell an account, for example. The risks are very much reduced and it's mega cool. So you can just sell your NFT. So the second feature of this launchpad is that they want to make everything as transparent as possible. At the moment we don't know exactly how the lottery system works in many launchpads. And on the ZKPAD there will be an on-chain system that will give a transparency to these actions. In my opinion, this will give this launchpad the trust of users. So that is really dangerous when you don't know or don't clearly understand how certainly this process works. ZKPAD also assures you that thanks to the management of the market making of tokens for each project, it will be possible to keep the market situation under control during listing and control pump and dumps. Well, I really hope that they will be able to implement it. It will be really useful. So also staking your ZKP tokens will provide you with increased returns. A bit later I will show you the examples how it will be work. It will be here, so you can find it on the white paper, sorry. So let's go further. As I said earlier, you can be both an investor and offer your project in order to raise the necessary capital. One of the benefits for those who come with the project is that the ZKPAD team will help the projects with strategic and operational support, including co-marketing on Twitter or Discord, partnership and ecosystem interests, access to a database of vetted talents, including career developers, UI UX designers and marketers. So this is cool because as I think many startups need this help at the start. So I don't have my project, but I think for many of you it will be helpful. You can see from the roadmap, here the roadmap, that we are now in Q2 and this is just the beginning. Already in Q3 of this year, the first IDOs will begin, staking will open and so on. So now the plan is outlined for 2023 and the final step will be a mobile application and cross rollups deployment. So I think it will be a big win for this project. So the team is presented on the site, so you can go to their social networks and study deeper about all of them. Everybody has their LinkedIn and Twitter. So I also want to know that more detailed information is all presented in white paper in several languages. So each of the features is written here. Here you can find the info about how the distribution of tokens will take place, where you can sell your tickets as NFT, the systems of tiers, etc. So everything is here. and I recommend reading it on your own in order to fully understand the project and form of your own vision. For me, I decided that this project is definitely worth of my attention, and I really like where the guys are moving. Therefore, I recommend that you subscribe to the social networks and look at this project on early steps, as I do. So thank you for the watching. I will leave all the links in the description under the video, and I will be glad if you share it with your friends. So thanks again. Bye guys.